Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from AliExpress and Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
For perfect results every time you blend. The Calphalon Auto Speed Blender automatically senses and adjusts power. A precise 10-speed control powers a dual-direction 6-point blade to pulverize in seconds. There are 4 convenient presets: smoothie, dip, milkshake, or frozen drink. Reverse and standard pulse give ultimate anti-jam control. Powerful motor, durable all-metal drive, and specially engineered jar deliver precise results. Calphalon Appliances.
Hi, I'm Mary Beth from Hamilton Beach with something great for people on the go. It's the single-serve blender, perfect for blending those smaller individual morning smoothies, protein shakes, or other blended beverages to go. The single-serve blender with travel lid is powerful enough for fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. Its 14-ounce individual-sized jar means you can stop cleaning those larger blender jars when you want just one serving. It also doubles as a travel cup. Let's take a closer look. It's simple and easy to store and clean. For compact storage, the jar stores upside down and the cord wraps around the base. It has a powerful 175-watt motor with stainless steel blades, so it can easily blend fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes, and it takes up very little cabinet space. There's one-touch blending, so just use the pulse button and blend. And best of all, the 14-ounce blending jar doubles as a travel cup so you can sip from the same container you blend in. The portable travel cup fits most car cup holders and includes a tight-fitting travel lid. The single-serve blender from Hamilton Beach lets you leave your big blender in the cabinet and easily make and take your single-serving sized smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes wherever you go. Now that's good thinking.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is Cuisinart's brand new compact portable blender. It has 350 watts of power and it can crush ice. When you drop the jar into the base, it automatically powers it on. So let's try crushing some ice. Look how beautiful that got. Really snowy and perfect, and you notice it only took seconds. This blender is really versatile. I'm just going to take the blade off the bottom so I can show you. I'm going to make a shake. But first what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the 8-ounce chopping cup. I'm going to drop it in, and this happens to be whole flaxseed. This is really hard to chop. Now look how fine this got. I'm going to keep a little bit out because I'm going to actually make a protein shake right in the travel cup. You get 4 of the travel cups, to-go cups, and I'm just going to add a little bit of the flaxseed. I'm also going to put in some protein powder. And you know, the protein powder, when you make the protein shakes, they're very, very hard to blend. So I'm going to add some water and then some fruit. Just put it in there. I'm going to put the blending blade mechanism on the bottom. I'm going to attach it back to the base, and I'm going to put it on high. And And this happens to be vanilla, but I added the fruit because I think it really adds some texture, and also you get lots of added benefit from that. And then all you do is you put your lid on, and you can put a straw right inside. You take this to the gym with you in the morning, and you have your fabulous protein or smoothie right in the morning for breakfast. It's so simple, so easy, you couldn't believe it. The compact portable blender comes with your blender jar. This is 32 ounces. Also has the blending blade assembly. You get 4 16-ounce travel cups with the lids. You also get the 8-ounce chopping cup with the special chopping blade. And that also comes with a cover. So after you're done chopping your flaxseed or nuts, you can take off the chopping blade mechanism and put the cover on for storing. The other thing I want to mention too is this is accented with stainless steel, has touchpad controls, high, low, and pulse. And there you have it. This is the Cuisinart Compact Portable Blender.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.